This is a step-by-step to draw a ladybug. We will begin with an oval that will be the soft underbody. Next, we add in the two elytra that are the hard coverings that protect the ladybug's body. Lightly erase away the parts of the oval that wouldn't be showing. We have overlap. Add in the wings protruding out from under the elytra. Next, we'll add the head with antenna, the eyes, and the pronotum. A ladybug has 6 legs. Make sure you show the joints and bends of the legs, 3 on each side. We have completed the other 3 legs, demonstrating symmetry, 3 legs on each side. Review the ladybugs from previous pictures and decide what type of ladybug you're making. Plan your dots according to your ladybug. Here's our completed ladybug based on the colors I chose from our previous images. This ladybug's spots show symmetry.